My name is Stacy and I'm going to be driving a John Deere tractor. Oh, the John Deere community is going to hate me. It's scary, you're going uphill! I am doing it!
It's okay, yep. You're just getting the feeling for it, right? See? You made it up.
Okay, come on, Becky!
Gives you a whole new appreciation for power steering.
Oh, we did it!
You did it!
Oh, thank
Good
you!
job.
Alright, go up the hill there.
You got her! You did it! You're doing awesome!
Thank you, I'm really hot.
Yeah.
It's a weird feeling.
Good job. High five.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
That's good. 1955 John Deere 40S.
Yep.
Take it right.
Yep. Is this your first time driving?
It is my second time.
Nice.
Welcome to season 2 of driving John Deere tractor.
And did you enjoy driving it the first time?
Very much. 10 out of 10 would try it again, so here we are. Welcome to the Mean Green driving machine.
These are great for blooper reels.
Thanks. Here we are at the Heavy Yarn Barn.
Heavy yarn barn?
The Heavy Yarn Barn. So you come here and you chit chat about all the great tractors in here.
Heavy yarn is like a Newfie saying?
Heavy, you know, like Brunel
Like a
yarn, like
East
it's
Coast
cheap.
thing?
Yeah. Having a yarn.
I know what it is, but not everybody would.
Oh. Urban Dictionary it.
Come on.
What happened to your thingy?
What?
What happened to your thingy?
This splinter.
I mean, I could probably just take it right from here.
Sure.
Maybe.
Sure.
Oh, fudge, I'm wearing flip-flops again.
Yeah.
My name is Stacy, and I'm going to drive this John Deere tractor. This is a 1955 John Deere 40S. Did I get the year right?
Yeah. 1955.
I'm going to hop on now. Slowly.
Here we go with sandals again.
It's one of my special skills.
Okay. So just do a dry run with me. Dry run being don't actually pull any other things. Or...
So I will push the clutch in
Yep.
and pull the starter stick.
Yep.
But I need to ask you about the throttle,
Okay.
because those elude me.
So you're gonna put the clutch in,
Yes.
and then you're gonna
I'll have
turn
my foot
this.
on the
You're gonna
brake.
turn. Yep. And you're gonna turn this once,
One time.
and then you're gonna pull what you call the starter stick.
Okay.
What do you have to ask about the throttle?
Like, what do I need for the engine to go? It's like, oh, sometimes when it won't start, you need like, oh no,
Oh,
choke. I got a choke.
So this is your choke. So it's a little cold now because it hasn't been used for a while. So just pull it out a little bit, and then once you hear it fire up, you can dump her back in.
Okay. Do I need my foot on the brake right now?
No, you're on a flat surface, so you'll be fine.
Okay.
As long as your clutch
And
is
then my clutch will be in, and I let that out very slowly.
in. Yeah. Exactly.
I don't know what gear I'm in. I
You're
think I'm in second.
Yeah, you're in second.
And yeah. Then as I move forward, I listen to the Christmas chains. Because that's what it reminds me.
Yeah, and if you panic, what do you do?
Clutch and brake.
Yeah.
Every day. Clutch and brake. Clutch and brake.
All right.
Clutch and brake.
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake.
Okay, so one more dry run.
Click it to 1.
After you.
Put my clutch in.
Yeah.
So clutch, click, maybe a little choke, and pull the starter stick.
Yeah.
Then I put the choke back in.
Yep.
And gradually, very easy, take my foot off the clutch.
Yep.
Do I do this now?
Yeah. As long as you're ready, comfortable.
I'm going uphill today, so. Like, how far down does it have to go? All the way?
Yeah.
Is it clicked already or no?
No.
So click it up.
Yeah, yeah, that way.
One click. A little choky?
Yep.
That good?
We can try that. See if it
A little
works.
centimeter cluck, choke. What am I missing? Something happening?
No, you just gotta pull it right out.
Should I have kept going?
Try it again. You might need more choke. You did it.
That was intimidating.
Huh?
That's intimidating. It sounds like a Disney car.
Just take a look behind you, around you, to make sure you're not going to drive anything over.
Those small children.
And then, whenever you're ready. Huh?
Oh, we did it!
You did it.
Oh, thank
Good
you!
job.
Alright, go up the hill, right?
Yep.
Come on, Betty!
You're doing it.
I am doing it! It's scary, you're going uphill! I'm downhill! It's like falling off a horse!
Good job.
Thank you. There's a hill coming up and it makes me a little nervous.
Okay, so what you need to remember about going downhill,
Clutch and brake.
if you put the clutch in and don't hit the brake, it's eventually going to pick up momentum and go really fast. So if you want to slow down, like tractor throttle back, and if you want to slow down more, put your clutch in and hit the brake.
Okay.
Because you don't have to do it all the way and come to a complete stop, just like a car, right? You can slow down.
I'm relatively flat now, but
Yeah.
can I take my brake off and then the clutch?
Try. Yeah, if you just let it run like that, it won't go much faster than that.
The engine will hold it, right?
Yep. You're doing it.
I am doing it. Can I just go on the side there and start?
Just don't hit it.
I'll do my best. Come here, lady.
try a little bit in reverse first.
Oh, fine.
So just go straight back with that. Hold the clutch in.
Yeah?
Just go straight back with it. Okay, now take your foot off this. And then slowly let go of the clutch. Just to make sure you're in reverse. Now go straight ahead with it. Now it's just moving. Okay. Yep. So now how do you think you shut it off? Only if you're, yeah, you can. Hold the brakes in.
That one didn't stay down.
You're relatively flat.
I think I unclick it.
Do what?
I click it. Stop, right?
And then just keep your clutch in.
Until it's done. I knew I wasn't supposed to just let that thing go, because then I'd be riding a buck horse.
Done.
I did it.
High five.
That was great.
You liked it?
Going uphill makes me very nervous. It's like going up on the back of a four-wheeler and I'm like, oh, we're going back ass over tea kettles.
Yeah, it's just a weird feeling because you're higher.
Yeah, and I don't like the height component, so then when the nose gets higher and I'm like,
Yeah.
what's gonna happen?
You did great.
Thank you, it was fun. Come here. Come here, kid. Hi, beautiful. He gets one from the spa.
Oh, pretty.
Are you gonna help me drive the tractor? My name is Stacy, and I'm gonna put the John Deere tractor away. I'm going on the other side
Atta
because there's no
girl.
brake.
I wasn't going to say it.
This seat is gonna be hot on my butt.
Is it too hot?
No, I think it's okay. It's a hot, hot seat. Hot seat. Oh my
And
god.
you got sandals on again.
It's high up here. I think
How's it
this
feel? Are you
tractor
enjoying
life's for
driving?
me.
Are you, what?
I think this tractor life's for me.
How are you enjoying it so far?
Well, me and old Betsy, we're getting along pretty good. Every time I sit up here though, I go, oh. And it's like so long. When you're on a horse, like his head stops here. You can hang onto the neck. It's like I love the jingle of the tires because it's like happy. And I don't want to get underneath those.
Yeah,
Oh,
we do
I
it
don't know if
next
I
time.
can.
Yes, you can.
Well, there's a ditch here.
But just don't drive in this.
Oh, how do I turn it though?
Or drive in it.
It'll swing it. And then go boop boop.
Yeah.
And
You
then...
drove, it'll be less than what you drove over to get out of the way.
Well, if you think I can do it, I'll
Oh, yeah.
do my damnedest.
I know you can.
So I'm going to take these brakes off.
Yep. 2.5.
Push it up.
Yep.
Ah!
And so normally, like, if you have boots on, you could just give it a kick. You don't go with it.
Oh, like,
Yeah.
okay. Clutch and brake. Clutch and brake. I'm not going to give it any chokage because it's nice and hot out here today. But I flick it up one. Right?
Yep.
No, down one.
Yeah, move it one. So you can see there should be like an I and an L.
Oh, okay.
So I is probably for ignition and L is for lights. Yeah. There you
Oh, okay. So it's in the igniter spot,
go. Yeah.
and then I pull the starter stick.
Yeah.
The John Deere community is gonna hate me. Okay.
Move this guy up and down.
What's this do? Oh.
Those are the hydraulics.
Going down.
Now bring him back up.
Oh, that's cool.
So if you had your snowblower or your
Scrapey thing?
yeah, your rear, like your back plate on there,
Yeah, yeah.
that's how you would raise and lower it.
Cool. What else? What's this do?
It's hydraulics. I think you said he had it on there for a lip splitter.
Oh, so it's like a
They had it
separate thing?
before. Huh?
A separate thing?
Yeah, like you could. It's still hydraulics are still hooked up, so you could hook it up to something else. But,
And this thing?
that's to adjust your hydraulics. Like if you wanted to basically to shorten or lengthen,
Okay.
so it'll go higher or lower. Hold it.
What?
Feel it. Got this. Alright,
Until it's time to go.
so now that you're getting more comfortable with it, let's just try to see that there's a green spot on this. You want to make sure it's in the green. It's all yours.
Reverse?
Huh?
Going in reverse?
Yeah.
Back is back?
Yep. You're good. You're good. Okay. Huh?
I was coming too close to
Okay, now turn it that way.
Got it.
Oh.
Oh, this is nerve-wracking. What did I do? Is it in the right spot? Well, I don't want it to be in like 7, 4. I have to have it. Thank you. Good girl. Oh God, starting hard. Are you okay back there? Please don't fall. I won't go any faster.
If you think she's not going to get out of the way, press the brake.
Yeah.
You got it.
Okay. Thank you. She was definitely playing like chicken with me.
Sometimes she'll do that and she gets pretty close sometimes, so just
And then
keep an eye on her. Sometimes she likes getting really close. So.
lock.
You're doing it, Dave.
We're just going right in.
You drove the tractor the whole way through. clutch and brake, right? ठीक है. More. Yeah, so you can actually like just let the clutch out a little bit until you get up here. It's okay, yep. You're just getting the feeling for it, right? You did the right thing, you put the clutch in right away. See? You made it up.
Okay.
So now crank her the other way, crank your wheel the other way. Yep. Muscle it. There you go. Gives you a whole new appreciation for power steering.
Okay.
Okay, now put it in reverse. Yep. And now when you reverse it, keep cutting her. Okay. You got her. You did it. You're doing awesome.
Thank you. I'm really hot.
Yeah.
Or just stressful. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Now put it. You gotta put it in second gear. Now put it in reverse. Back her right up to that box.
What's happening?
So it's probably supposed to put your hang on. So this is what I was talking about sometimes it's weird.
Okay.
So move your clutches in. This wasn't quite in there.
Okay.
Just go as close as you're comfortable and that's good. Perfect. Shut her down.
Okay.
You did it.
That was hard. Just getting used to the space
Well,
and the
you-
roll.
It's very tough, turning dry steering
Yeah.
on no power steering is tough.
And then like with the little bumps, like
Yes.
the weight took it,
And
and I
just
was
feeling
afraid
it.
of it gaining momentum. And
But you
the
did
brakes.
awesome. So like, not only did you hit when it kind of felt like it was jumping up on you because you were going up a lip, you put the clutch in right away, which is perfect, right?
Okay,
And then when you were backing up here, you were feathering the clutch. I didn't teach you that. You did it perfect. Good job. High five.
thank you.
How does it feel?
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you know you can drive the tractor if you need to.
Yeah, Yeah, if it was like a weird emergency that I was like, I'm gonna get this tractor back.
Yeah, and next time, like, we'll do a couple of different gears for you. You did second and reverse, which is pretty much all I use, to be honest. But
Everything's shut down the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. Such a gentleman. If only I was a graceful lady.
And you did it in slippers. Like flip-flops.
Slippers?
You did it in flip-flops. Sandals.
Look at my legs sweat.
Good job, babe.